Welcome to the demonstration of our fryer oil filter machine. First, place the filter screen, then insert it into the filter bag and continue with the setup as shown in the video. Here you can see the oil before filtration begins. Now, the filtration process starts. For best results, the machine runs through 4 to 5 filtration cycles. After about 3 to 4 cycles, now you have to wait till the 3 to 4 filtration cycle inside the machine, and then you can see before and after result. You can clearly notice the difference. Here is the before and after result of filtration. Now you can see before and after results. Cleaner oil, longer usability, and improved quality. We are proud to share that our fryer oil filtration systems are trusted in more than 27 countries worldwide, and the number is still growing.